Divisions right now in society is the difference between rural America and urban America.
Yeah,
And how do you reconcile that? You know, what have presidents done to try and change that? You mentioned poverty is an issue, and I think it's related to that because a lot of people don't want to move to urban centers and get jobs. You know, they want to stay in these rural areas where there are no, opportunities.
well, I think that there are fixes for that. I'm not a fan of farm price maintenance, by the way, which is something we spend billions of dollars on, is paying farmers not to grow crops. And we have people starving in other parts of the world. We have hungry people in America. And I don't like that lack of intelligence and approach to world economy that implies. But there are a lot of people who enjoy being out there. Remember, the cost of living in these rural areas tends to be dramatically less. It's one of the reasons that I got a little hot water here. About 2.5 years ago, shortly after Cameron School of Business started doing our blog, I wrote a blog called Lower the Minimum Wage. Now, that's not going to happen, but the point of it is that the minimum wage sounds terribly low in Houston, Texas today. I mean, if you see a sign up at the McDonald's, they're paying $8 and $9 an hour. The minimum wage, by the way, is $7.25. Almost nobody in America, even in rural America, is making $7.25. But the point is that the dollars are different across different economies. So I think that's a pretty interesting situation. But I don't have a quick fix for it, but I think we can. I think we need rural America. I think we need people who enjoy that style of life. We're a big enough country to have both, but it doesn't excuse the poverty that we see in Appalachian areas. And you know, I have been through Appalachia, and I've seen what's going on out there. But again, we have some of the wealthiest poor people in the world. Color TVs, cable TV, food on the table. About the only people that are really in extremis tend to be the people that we see on the corner right out here who are out there panhandling and stuff like that. Most of them have serious emotional issues or mental health issues and are not out there because they got fired from their job.